I'm now in the main drawing office, and what we use at Block Architects to manage the drawing office is a software program called Archetype. And basically with Archetype, every email, piece of correspondence, letter, drawing, and a lot of the certificates that we prepare as architects are managed through the Archetype system. This is it here on the screen. This is the main home page for it. So it's basically based on a project number, and every email that comes in or letter that's written is given a project number roughly in this location here on screen, and that means that when it is filed it's always findable again. The other thing I would say about our systems is they're all backed up. Everything's drawn in CAD. They're backed up at midnight, and we've got full printer capabilities here for everything from an A4 up to A0 full colour.